too late. I did a whole clean. Say hello. Oh, I want to put this on top of something. It's a bit... How did I do this last time? So low. That's better. That's better. That's better. So, I just recently bought a little camcorder. It's cute, compact, small, quaint, cheap. Does the job. I just want to start vlogging my daily life and making memories. And yeah, I don't know if I like it though. I just wanted to try something new because I'm so bored. I moved to Manchester and I have nothing to do. Lately, it's mad. I'm doing my masters and I find myself having to study for fun, which isn't the worst thing in the world. But I mean, I wanted to pick up a hobby, and so I decided to start filming, which I think will be fun. I also recently got my hair done and I don't think I like it that much. I just feel like the colour is like so close to my skin tone that it puts me off. And like I don't like the style. I literally asked for it to be shoulder length and then she does that. Like, I don't know, I mean I guess I could have, nah. Like I told her what I wanted but she just kept going and I thought okay. And by the end of it, it was too late. Is what it is. Is what it is. I mean I can cut it myself. One of my friends told me to just cut it myself and just dip it in hot water, and I might try that later. I had the weekend at home with my little baby sister. She turned 10. She's not baby, but she is the baby. She turned 10, we went bowling, that was fun, went back to London. And I've come back last night. I just love this outfit I wore today. I just thought it was so cute. Like it's so cute, preppy, like I've been wanting to do more preppy outfits, but because my hair was like black and pink, it just wasn't working, it wasn't making sense. But now that my hair's all one colour and it's like a more of a natural colour, I know it doesn't make sense, you can wear whatever you want to wear like at any point, but I just feel like if my hair's like black and pink, it's giving more streetwear. Like I can't really wear preppy outfits like this. But like if it's more of a natural colour, I can wear more different, like a range of aesthetics. And I like this one, it's cute. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see how this vlogging thing works. This clip most definitely probably is not going in. It's just funny, I'm just trying to get used to like talking to the camera and waffling. It's quite easy actually, it's not as hard as I thought, because I talk to myself a lot anyway, so it's essentially the same thing. Just talking to yourself but in front of a camera. And I just feel like I don't like my face on camera, but anyways, that's besides the point. March is a month of growth, inspiration. I don't like my hair looking like that. March is a month of growth, inspiration, change, trying new things, improving ourselves, myself, you know, trying to be that person that I'm aiming to be in the future, becoming that woman that I want to be, stepping more into the life that I want to live. And I feel like documenting and filming is definitely something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, literally since I was like 18. I just never did it because I was too scared, but now after many years I've decided I have the confidence to do it and I'm gonna do it, and I think it's gonna be fun. Hopefully I have things to film because my life is boring, yeah. But yeah, next week is going to be an exciting week. Again, I don't think this clip is going in, but I'll still talk anyways. Next week is going to be an exciting week. Like, it's my friend's birthday which is gonna be so fun. She's turning 26, so we're going for a meal. I still haven't planned my outfit, but I have no idea of what I'm gonna wear. I have her present. I just need to wrap it and like organize a few little bits. I hope she likes it though, because I don't know. I don't know. It's cute. I'll probably show it at a later point. But I love her. I love her present. Because I just loved, like, gift giving is my love language. So I love getting people like things they want or things that they've like mentioned and like you remember. I don't know. I just think it's so much cuter that way. Just like little pieces, you know. I hope she likes that. But yeah, this is fun. Talking is fun.
Oh, I know being I'm a girl, babe. I'm so sweet that we on the first cruise. Work my nerves, you know I can hold it. Yeah, we been making love. I saw this girl on Twitter. She was braiding the fuck out of her own hair and she was so good. I was like, what? That's crazy. She was like separating the strands as she was feeding it in. I was like, damn.
Oh my god, she's done it! God help.
Don't get me in it, please.
I think you'll just have to
Bobby with the camera.
you'll have to edit me out because this is very low.
She got burnt.
Butters, it's so butters.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is so cute.
Like how you do it.
Oh,
It's really cool.
I like this.
I know, like the guy. Obviously, it doesn't look like yours, but
No, but it's still really
copying
good.
and pasting.
Wow,
so it's like
cute.
the exact info. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Janet.
Oh, it's LeBron's birthday today. Well, it was her birthday yesterday, but today we're going for dinner. I'm just gonna start getting ready now for it. I'm so excited actually. It's been a while since I've like dressed up, so I'm looking forward to it. Going to a place called Firefly. It's a, I don't actually know what type of cuisine it is. It's like, I think it has like everything. It's like a range, like a fusion, but the interior is like really pretty. I just put my contacts in. I need to get new contacts. Like, I only have coloured ones and I'm kind of tired of coloured contacts. Like, I really want to start wearing my natural eye colour. Because I feel like when you put in contacts you just have a new aura, and sometimes I just want to look normal. But yeah, anyways, I don't know what look I'm going for. I hope I'm not late. I think I was meant to start at like 4:30, but it's 5 o'clock now, so I hope I'm not late, but I'm gonna speed it up now and it'll be fine. This might be like sped up footage or I might keep it, but I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, let's begin. Actually, it's going to be sped up because I want to listen to music. Alexa, play location. Ooh.
Location featuring
Alexa, play Loading by Alameda. Alexa, play Loading by Alameda.
Loading featuring Bad Boy Tunes by Oliver from Apple Music.
I got too many hoes. I can't hang you. You like to put that shit in your nose. But I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, pull your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. That's 24 hours.
Yes.
When she works it all.
Everyone get in so we can take a mirror picture.
Elevator party.
I'm so
Okay, Alice, where did you park?
Where's the
I have no idea.
I'm here.
Come on.
you're laughing too much for that joke. Wow. I'm literally not...
Oh, John, I can't see.
Yeah,
John.
the music. Oh, guys, no! Stop it! Okay, guys, we're here.
Have to go. Last PBL. Say hey.
What do you vlog?
Start trying to. Do.
So I don't really know what to do today.
Close up. Let me zoom in. Pretty.
Come on, let's
Okay, just taking my first bite.
If it's worth all my hopes and years and aspirations for this game.
I've tried it a few times. I've never made it, but I've had it a few times.
It's good.
It's a bit, not much meat on it, but the meat itself, when you get to it, I don't like I ate everything.
She'll be hiding in the FSS cupboard, peeking out like what?
Nice, thank you. Eating his apple crumble.
I'm in my natural habitat, eating apple crumble, making a mess out of it.
This is his second plastic spoon. His first one unfortunately broke, but he crafted a new one.
You don't sound like David Attenborough, you sound Scottish.
Lately I've been thinking about us.
Hi guys, welcome back. Please subscribe to my channel. It is Bobby's channel. Please subscribe to Bobby. Didn't ask, you know. It was ignore all this.
Oh, do you want to say hi? Would you?
No. Ignored. Anyways, very heavily dessert. Yeah.
What did you get?
I'll have what she's having. American or waffle.
What did you get?
I got apple crumble.
Yeah.
So basic.
And I got.
So bright.
I'll have what she's having crap as well.
So Bobby, how are you today? Okay. How are you feeling about the weather?
It's average. It's cold, windy, gloomy.
No, it's not. It's actually sunny. I don't know why I said that. Well, if it's 2:06, then I'll have to walk like 20 minutes before, so like 46.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's really small. Would you? That's so small. How much was it?
I was like so hungry as well. No, you're having
No,
something.
you were literally the hungriest.
This is so sad. You're definitely.
Oh my days. This is. She didn't think it was gonna be that small. This is Fariz's.
Wait,
and this is mine.
You've been draining me out. You know that. You know that well. When I throw that, better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No. House. Just.
Last lecturer, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel amazing.
Amazing.
How do you feel?
It's bittersweet,
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's sad.
Yeah,
not,
last
though. We're coming
teaching
back from-
class. Barely.
Yeah.
Barely.
Barely.
Very, very bittersweet. Okay, this is me crowning you.
Oh, do you want to turn it the
Imagine
other way?
these schools get.
Okay, ladies. Talk to me.
Imagine
So
these
last
schools.
lecturer.
Okay,
need
one
to-
word
I feel
to sum
sad.
up the PA course so
One
far.
word. Life changing.
Whoa, okay. One word. Sensational. Okay.
What about
I
you?
don't have a word still.
I don't like this.
A word.
It's like social distancing. When you act different when the camera's on.
I'm not actually
Probably
different. I'm actually-
stretching. That's my word. Stretching. Yeah, we're gonna play a game. Okay, the game is all three of us we have to say a word and it has to be the same word eventually, okay? So it's possible. It's possible. Look, let's just communicate between us, okay? Okay, here we are. So 1, 2, 3. Bottle. What was yours?
Window.
Window, bottle.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Why did you guys say chicken?
Why would you say chicken? Racist.
Why would you say chicken?
So I chicken after, that's why.
Yeah.
Long day. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Food.
What did you say?
Food. What's yours?
Black.
Plant.
Are we gonna get that?
Okay, we are.
Okay,
Let's
we are.
think.
Now we're
Let's
there.
think. We're there.
We're there.
Let's just. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Melanin.
She didn't say anything. I said water.
Water? Are you kidding me?
Food, water. I don't know. That came into my mind. Melanin.
Yes.
Was I really gonna say melanin?
Okay.
Okay, wait.
Okay. Feel the vibes of everything, of this place, of this
Look
room.
around.
Yeah. Looking around. Looking around. Yeah. Looking around. Black food. You didn't have a word.
Okay.
Black and food.
Okay.
Feel the vibes.
That's the vibes.
1, 2, 3. White.
What did you say?
White.
I said grey. We were closer. She said laptop.
I said look around, bitch.
And you said laptop.
Anyways, okay, I think we're close. Black,
We're not
black, white. Yeah.
Because now you're pinpointing it. Because now I know what you man are gonna say.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna say.
I know exactly. There's only
I know
one
what
right
you're gonna say. I know
answer.
you're gonna say.
Really?
There's a one right answer.
Go.
Okay, here we are. 1, 2, 3. Color. Because are you nuts? Because are you nuts?
Yeah, you were wrong
Really?
for that. You were wrong for that. You're really wrong.
Guys, black, white, color. Yeah?
You don't know Babi's the main character. You're wrong for that.
Whoa! I don't know where we're gonna go from this.
I thought we were doing the same thing.
It's just you.
There's no way.
Black.
Anyways, 2 out of 3. We're gonna have to take it because
Now we know
We're gonna get it.
In the streets they be thinking you're a lady, but at home if you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets in this dark out.